Your first big trip. Exciting, right? But it can also be overwhelming. One wrong decision can cost you time, money, and even memories you never get back. Unforgettable. From packing smart to blending in like a local. And trust me, tip number 25 is a game changer. Even experienced travelers forget. So grab your notebook, or better yet, just hit save, because your journey starts right here. 25 tips in under 5 minutes. Tip 1: research beyond brochures. Dig into local customs, culture, and hidden gems before you go. It makes every moment richer. Tip 2: plan your budget with a buffer. List major costs, add 10 to 20% for surprises, and avoid money stress on the road. Tip 3: keep your itinerary flexible. Have a plan, but leave room for the unexpected magic. Tip 4: book flights early. Lock in better prices and avoid the last-minute scramble. Tip 5: pack smart. Not heavy. Mix and match outfits. Roll clothes. And skip the just-in-case overload. Tip 6: notify your bank. Prevent card blocks by telling them your travel dates and destinations. Tip 7: carry copies of important documents. Keep them separate from the originals. A lifesaver if things go missing. Tip 8: bring a basic first aid kit. Small injuries shouldn't slow you down. Tip 9: stay hydrated. A refillable bottle is your best friend. Tip 10: move your body, walk, stretch, or take the stairs. Fight travel fatigue. Tip 11: prioritize safety. No emergency contacts. Avoid sketchy areas and trust your instincts. Tip 12: respect local customs. Learn greetings, dress codes, and cultural etiquette. Tip 13: bring an extra camera battery. Never miss that once-in-a-lifetime shot. Tip 14: carry a power bank. Dead phone equals no maps, no photos, no fun. Tip 15: taste the local cuisine. Eat where locals eat. It's culture you can taste. Tip 16: respect the environment. Leave no trace. Support eco-friendly businesses. Tip 17: interact with locals. Conversations often lead to the best travel memories. Tip 80: take breaks. Rest is part of the journey. Avoid burnout. Tip 19: carry extra socks and underwear. Fresh basics equals fresh you. Tip 20: pack sneakers. Comfort beats style when you're on your feet all day. Tip 21: hat and scarf combo. Protection, warmth, and style in one. Tip 22: mark your luggage. Bright tags or ribbons make it easy to spot. Tip 23: photograph your luggage and contents. Helps with lost baggage claims and memory. Tip 24: use a map without shame. Maps mean more exploring, less getting lost. Tip 25: keep a short travel diary. Capture moments before they fade. Even just 3 sentences a day. And if this helps you, hit like and subscribe for more travel hacks and epic destination guides. Now let's dive deeper into these 25 tips, starting with research. Don't just rely on brochures and travel blogs. Talk to friends who've been there. Watch travel videos and read up on local customs. It'll make your trip more meaningful. Planning a budget may sound boring, but it's essential. Research average costs for accommodation, food, activities, and transportation. Add 10 to 20% extra for surprises and book in advance for better deals. Trust me, avoiding financial stress will keep the excitement high. Now, flexibility isn't just about adjusting plans. It's about embracing the unexpected. You might stumble upon a hidden gem that wasn't on your radar, or maybe an activity gets canceled due to weather. The key is to stay open-minded and roll with the punches. Booking flights early doesn't mean booking them the moment you start planning your trip. It usually means booking them at least a few months ahead of time. Airlines often release their cheapest seats early, and prices tend to increase as the departure date approaches. Plus, booking early allows you to snag those limited seats with better prices, especially if you have specific preferences like non-stop flights or seats together. Packing light isn't about squeezing into a tiny backpack. It's about being strategic. Choose versatile clothing that can mix and match. Roll, not fold your clothes to save space. And consider leaving behind items you can buy at your destination. Remember, every kilo counts, so weigh your luggage before leaving home. It's not just about fitting in your suitcase. It's about fitting in with your bank. By letting your bank know you're traveling, you reduce the chances of your cards being blocked due to suspicious activity. Provide details about your trip dates and destinations so your bank can monitor your transactions effectively. Imagine losing your passport or other vital documents. That's why keeping copies is crucial. Carry these separately from your originals, whether in digital or printed form. If something gets lost or stolen, you'll still have the information you need to replace them next. A basic first aid kit. It doesn't need to be huge, just stocked with essentials like pain relievers, antiseptics, and bandages. Minor cuts and headaches won't slow you down. Staying hydrated isn't just about quenching your thirst, it's about keeping your body functioning optimally. Consider investing in a reusable water bottle that you can refill. Staying hydrated prevents fatigue and keeps you healthy while traveling. Moving your body is crucial to combating travel fatigue. Stretch in the morning, walk during sightseeing, or take the stairs instead of the elevator. These small movements boost your energy levels, making the most of your travel days. Prioritizing safety isn't about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. Share your itinerary with someone back home. Avoid poorly lit or secluded areas, and trust your gut feeling. Your safety is the ultimate priority. Respecting local customs is a sign of maturity and consideration. Learn basic greetings, respect religious sites, and follow local etiquette. You'll make a positive impression and enrich your travel experience. An extra camera battery can be a lifesaver, quite literally. Imagine running out of battery at a must-visit spot. Having an extra charge battery ensures you capture all those precious moments without any hiccups. A power bank is your portable power solution, especially in places with limited outlets or unreliable charging stations. Keep your devices juiced up for navigation, photography, and communication. It's a must-have travel accessory. Trying local cuisine isn't just about satisfying your hunger. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture. Eat where the locals eat. It's often more authentic and offers a unique taste of the destination. Being environmentally responsible is about preserving the beauty of the places you visit. Pack a reusable bag, support eco-friendly businesses, and dispose of waste responsibly. It's about leaving only footprints behind. Interacting with locals provides a different perspective on your destination. Strike up conversations, ask for recommendations, and listen to their stories. You'll gather unique insights that enhance your understanding of the place. Taking breaks isn't about slowing down. It's about pacing yourself for a more enjoyable journey. Whether it's a mental health day or a leisurely walk, rest helps you recharge and appreciate your experiences more. Bringing extra socks and underwear might seem basic, but it's about maintaining freshness and hygiene, especially during longer trips. Staying clean and comfortable boosts your confidence and overall well-being. Sneakers are your travel buddy. They go with everything and provide the comfort you need for long walks and exploring new places. Ditch the high heels or dress shoes and opt for trusty sneakers. A hat and scarf combo is practical and stylish. It protects you from the sun or cold, adds a pop of color to your outfit, and keeps your head and neck warm in colder climates. Marking your luggage helps it stand out on the baggage carousel. Use bright luggage tags or ribbons to easily spot your suitcase. This is especially helpful at connecting airports or when there are many suitcases. Photographing your luggage and its contents serves two purposes. It aids in identifying your belongings if they get damaged or stolen. It's also great for remembering what you packed, especially if you reach for the same items every time. Using a map might seem old school, but it's a tangible way to navigate and discover. Mark your route in key spots, but also allow room for spontaneity. Get lost in the unknown. Keeping a short travel diary is about capturing moments that might otherwise be forgotten. It could be as simple as 3 sentences about your day's adventures, thoughts, and highlights. Whether it's your first trip or your 50th, these tips turn travel stress into pure adventure. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped you, Hit like and subscribe for more travel hacks and epic destination guides. Safe travels.